In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on the Signal app. So basically what you have to do, you have to open the app and then go to the top left corner and then this comes up. Now you want to hit your name over here and there you go. This is the profile picture, and if you want to change it, just hit the picture and then hit choose from gallery or take photo. So basically hit that, then select an image you want to use. So I select this one just as an example. Then you can crop it just like this, just how you want. Then hit yes at the top and hit it again. You can also add text or things like this. Then hit this again and there you go. Now you just successfully changed your profile picture on the Signal app. The only thing you have to do is hit save, and now you saved it and changed your profile picture. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.